guys, give you a big hug. Today we're going to be baking cookies and welcome back to the channel also. And I am Gabby. When I look at my beautiful dress cut, we'll be baking the best cookies. To make my mum's amazing chocolate chip cookies, you will need the following dry ingredients. Full recipe in the description below. To make around 30 medium-sized cookies, you will need 225 grams of salted butter, 125 grams of light brown sugar, 125 grams of custard sugar, 200 grams of self-raising flour, 150 grams of plain flour, 70 grams of cocoa powder. You will also need 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 pinch of salt. Two teaspoons of bicarb soda, 200 grams of chocolate chips, 1 egg lightly beaten. And we need to crack an egg. Get it?
You crack that one.
Oh my god, I feel like this is fine. I knew it didn't feel right. It does not feel right. Look. Can't even crack an egg. As you can see, guys, it's like turning brown. Cream, butter and all sugars for about 10 minutes or light and fluffy. This is an important part, don't skip it. Slowly add egg and vanilla and slowly beat. I'm trying to put all of these dry ingredients into this bowl. Fold in all flour, cocoa powder and baking soda to form a dough and add in chocolate chips. Here guys are the chocolate chips. Now we have to let it sit for about an hour in the fridge. This helps make the cookie balls. You could also freeze the dough at this point. Now we're going to put it in the fridge to set just about an hour. Chill and chill. 1 hour.
1 hour, starting now.
First, then you line your baking tray on your tray so the cookies don't stick. Wonderful. I don't mind stuff. Guys, this is so cold and it's been chilling for an hour. It's all the same, so it's better to weigh them out first. So guys, you might need gloves for this part. You're going to weigh them out to 30 grams each. About up to 30 grams. You will have to roll them in a ball and put them on your baking tray. Put the cookie balls on a lime baking tray and spread them about 3 centimeters apart because they will spread. So guys, we're now going to pop this in the oven, and if you're younger than 8, you need a parent's help. Put on 170. After about 10 minutes, check your cookies. Leave them on the tray to cool for about 5 minutes. And transfer them to a wire wrap. I like these cookies because they're easy bake ones. They taste great. Store in an airtight container if they last that long. So guys, I'm going to try a cookie now and let's see what it tastes like. you going to have a go at making these cookies? Comment down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Eliza as well. Bye! Smash that like button in the face.